Did you know there's a jellyfish that might live forever? Meet Turritopsis doanae, often called the immortal jellyfish. Unlike most creatures, when it gets injured, sick or old, it doesn't die. Instead, it does something incredible. It reverts its cells back to an earlier stage of life, kind of like hitting a biological reset button. Imagine if humans could turn into babies again, grow up, and repeat the cycle over and over. This process is called transdifferentiation, and scientists are fascinated by it. While it's not truly immortal, it can still be eaten or die from disease. It technically has the potential to escape aging indefinitely. Nature really knows how to surprise us.